Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make poisson roussel the Haitian way. Let's start with the cleaning process. If you're from the Caribbean, you already know that we don't fillet our fish. So here's how we clean it. For this one here, first of all you'll check and see if there's any scale. You will use your knife and then remove any scale. And then after you do that, you will cut this little wing thing here. I forgot how you call it, but you will remove this. You will also remove this, cut it off, and you go inside. You remove this here on the inside, and also this. This is how we clean it. We take this off, we cut this off, and then also on the inside of the mouth of the fish, you remove this with your knife, cut it off. So this one is already done. So as you can see, this is removed, and as well as this too, you cut this off. You cut the tip off. This one still has it. Okay, and then on the inside, you remove the stomach lining. Okay, there's this one. The stomach lining is removed, and then we go, the little tip, this that was here, this thing here, it has been cut off. I wish I had my other hand to show you guys how to do it, but I'm holding the camera, and then so you go like this. This is removed, and inside the lining, this here, there's a thick membrane. You need to remove it. See it? This white thing here, you need to remove it. And this is how you clean your fish. Then now we're gonna add some lime juice. If the fish was not cut in half already, I would like slice it. That way the seasoning would go in there. But what I'm gonna do instead, I'm gonna poke it and then just pour the seasoning. That way I don't have to, the fish is not gonna be falling apart. Okay, so we're just gonna put some lime juice and a little bit of salt, just to wash it. Because fish tends to smell, feel a fishy smell. So you want lots of lime juice, that way it removes that smell. And then you would go on the inside here too. You would wash the inside the fish. And then as well as the tail, sometimes you'll have a little bit of scale like right here. So you use your knife and remove that. Okay, so this is basically the cleaning part. I had many requests on, how do you clean a fish, and this is how you do it, the Haitian way.